Welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from algebra. We have to find total number of prime triples for ABC equal to 59 times A plus B plus C. So we have A, B, C prime numbers. So if we'll talk about prime numbers, numbers which are divisible by 1 or number itself, called prime numbers. So we can write here conditions on A, B and C. Numbers must be greater than 2 or equal to 2 because 2 is the very first prime number in mathematics. Now without loss of generality, if I will plug in B or A or C equal to 59, why I am doing this? RHS is divisible by 59 as we have 59 one factor. So LHS must be divisible by 59. As ABC are prime numbers, we have to assume either A or B or C equal to 59. It should be divisible by 59 both sides. So let me consider B equal to 59. So we will get our equation A times 59 times C in the LHS equal to 59 times A plus 59 plus C. Now both sides we have 59. Let's divide both sides by 59. So 59 over 59 will be 1. We will write AC equal to A plus C plus 59. Now we will subtract A from both the sides. So we can write AC minus A equal to C plus 59. Now A is common. We will write A times C minus 1 equal to C plus 59. Now we will divide both sides by C minus 1. As we know, 1 is not prime number. So we can write C cannot be 1. So C minus 1 over C minus 1 will be 1. We will get A in terms of C. So C plus 59 over C minus 1. Now we will test our equation for C greater than or equal to 2 prime numbers. Let me write here A equal to C plus 59 over C minus 1. Now our first prime number is C equal to 2, the only even prime number in mathematics. So just by plugging C equal to 2, we are going to get A equal to 2 plus 59 in the numerator and 2 minus 1 in the denominator. Value will be equal to 61 and 61 is prime number. So we can write here first triple or triplet A, B and C. So A comma B comma C. In this case we can write A is 61, B is 59, C is 2, which is our first triplet. Now we will raise the value of C. After 2, we will get 3, the next prime number. Okay, so we are going to find the value of A. A will be equal to 3 plus 59, 62 over 3 minus 1, 2. Value will be 31. Again, this is prime number. So we can write our second triplet A comma B comma C will be A is 31, B is 59, C is 3. Next number is C equal to 5. we are going to get A equal to 64 over 5 minus 1 is 4. Value is 16, which is not prime number. So we have to reject C equal to 5. Now we are going to take C equal to 7, the next prime number. So we are going to get here A equal to 7 plus 59. Value will be 66. 7 minus 1, 6. A is coming out 11. And 11 is prime number. So we can write here our third triplet. A comma B comma C. We will write 11. B is 59. C is 7. Now we have one noticeable point. We started with raising the value of C. C2, C3, C5, C7. We are getting A in the descending order or decreasing form. 61, 31, 11 and so on. So we have to reach A equal to 2. Once we will attain A equal to 2, we have to stop. So in this sequence, we are going to take next prime number C equal to 11. So let me write here C equal to 11. We are going to get 59 plus 11, 70 over 10. Value is 7. 7 is prime number. We will accept it. So we can write our next triplet 7, 59, 11. Next C would be C equal to 13. I will write here 59 plus 13, 72 over 12. This is not a prime number. We are going to reject 13. Then next we are going to write C equal to 17, 19, 23, 29. Here we are not going to get A prime. A equal to not prime. So we will reject all the cases for these values. Next value if I will consider 31. So we are going to get 59 plus 31. Value will be 90 over 31 minus 1. Value will be 30 in the denominator. So 90 over 30 is 3 and 3 is prime number. So we can write next triplet 3 comma 59 comma 31. Now you can see we have reached up to 3. Only we have to attain A equal to 2. Now next prime numbers. If I will write here C equal to 37, 41, 47, 53. We are not going to get A prime. So I will write here A not prime. So we are going to reject these prime numbers. In the series, if I will write 59 also, it will provide us A non-prime number. Now we will consider A equal to 61. C equal to 61. So A will be equal to 59 plus 61. Value will be 120. And 61 minus 1. Value will be 60. We have A equal to 2. So we can write here ordered triple 2 comma 59 comma 61. Now I have to write all the solutions, all the triples. Here it is. Now if you will see, the bottom 3 triplets are the permutation combination of top 3. We can see here 11, 59, 7 and here it is 7, 59, 11. Then 31, 59, 3 and then 3, 59 31, 61 59 2, 2 59 61. So we need to focus on top three triples only. Then we will write all the permutations related to those prime numbers. So I can write here 61 59 2. Then second triplets 31 59 3. And the last triple we will write 11 59 7. Now we can write here 3 factorial is the permutation, means the place position wise. If I will write here 2, then we have to switch 59 and 61. Now we will put 2 2. We will write here 61 59. We will write here 59 61. Then we will fix the place of 2 here. We will write 61 59. Then we will write 59 61. So 6 triples are here. Now we will write for the remaining 2. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18 solutions must be there. Here it is. Overall 18 triples. So I will write here 18 triplets. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.